Health problems are on the rise nowadays due to the excessive stress that people are forced to face. The chances of getting ill may increase when one is traveling abroad in a new climate and environment. Illness abroad can not only be a great mental and emotional strain, it can also drain your pocket. This is the reason why it is necessary to be protected against such circumstances with proper international medical insurance. Nowadays illnesses are on the rise due to unhealthy lifestyles and increases in stress levels. This is one reason that many people like to take out good health care. Some policies can be expensive and difficult to afford for many individuals and families. However, by shopping around you may be surprised how much savings you can make. With a good health insurance plan, you can get proper medical treatment at the right time, which can sometimes mean the difference between life and death. International medical insurance is of two types: individual insurance and company, group insurance. While individual insurance is bought privately by people, company insurance is bought by an organization to protect its employees. Such insurance cover while traveling abroad will ensure that you get proper medical attention in a foreign country. Specialist and doctor fees, tests conducted, private hospital rooms etc. are the expenses covered by international medical insurance. There are many insurance companies providing international medical insurance, but you need to shop around before you actually settle on one. You need to ascertain your requirements and choose an insurance company that provides customized insurance policies to meet these requirements. You also have to ascertain that the insurance premiums are affordable and that you are happy with the terms and conditions of the insurance companies in the market. A little research on the internet will give you a comparative analysis of the rates and policies of different insurance companies. As an alternative, you can also take the professional help of insurance brokers who have agencies with a large number of insurance companies. These insurance brokers will be able to help you whether you require individual or group insurance. It is a good idea to use the services of an insurance broker that specializes in this field of insurance, and they will analyze your requirements and recommend the right policy for you. Usually using these insurance brokers means a large amount of savings in terms of insurance premiums and your time. Most of these insurance brokers have internet presence and you can contact them through their user-friendly websites.